So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be part of the TEMU affiliation program or the TEMU affiliate and influencer program. So very quickly, let's type in TEMU affiliate program and then just click on TEMU affiliate. Afterwards, scroll down and select join now. So what will you receive from joining TEMU? You can receive rewards. You can claim rewards. There are high commissions here, so you can definitely earn money through the affiliation program. So just click join now. Since I've already entered my data before, you can either continue with Google, or you may enter a different email. But for now, we'll continue with Google, log in my account, and then afterwards, we will be entering the TEMU affiliation webpage. So this is the webpage. Instantly, once you log in your account or once you create an account, you will be receiving a 100 peso, or in dollars, that would be around $2 as a reward for joining the affiliate and influencer program. And you can only withdraw this if you have over $10 to $20 in order for you to withdraw it via PayPal. So there are 30% commission, 100 peso download reward, and of course there is a 10% commission. So commission, it's per order within the app. So we can get this too, and we can get the 100 as long as we do this simplified sharing. So there are a lot of rewards that you can claim via the TEMU affiliate and program and influencer program. So you can be an affiliate, you can be an influencer, you can look at the hottest items that you can share and affiliate with. And of course, you can invite other affiliates. And per invite, you can get up to 825 pesos or more than $10, around $12. And that's it. We hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please do hit the like, share, and the subscribe button. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to our channel only here on Telc Help Guy.